Hi everyone, welcome to this session. Now unit. So unit means a standard measurement of physical quantity is called unit. For example, to measure mass of the product we use kilogram, kg. To measure liquid we use liters. To measure time we use second. So this will be called unit. So unit means a standard measurement of physical quantities is called unit. This quantities are classified into two types. One is physical quantity, another one is non-physical quantity. Firstly, physical quantity means the quantity which can be measured. That type of quantities we called physical quantities. Example, length, mass, time, force, velocity, volume are the examples for physical quantities and etc. And non-physical quantities, the quantities which cannot be measured, that type of quantities we call non-physical quantities. Example, smell, taste and etc. These are the non-physical quantities. So physical quantity means the quantity which can be measured, and non-physical quantity means the quantity which cannot be measured. That type of quantity is non-physical quantities. Now, physical quantities are two types. One is fundamental quantity, another one is derived quantity. Firstly, fundamental quantities means the quantity which can be measured independently and it does not depend on any other factors such as length, mass and time. This we call fundamental quantities. So again I will tell, fundamental quantities means the quantity which can be measured independently and it does not depend upon any other factors such as length, mass and time. Now this length, mass and time is called fundamental quantities. Now again, fundamental unit. Fundamental unit means the unit for measuring the fundamental quantity is called fundamental unit. I repeat, fundamental unit means the unit for measuring the fundamental quantity is called fundamental unit. For example, a unit of length is meter, a unit of mass is kilogram, kg, and unit of time is second. So, the meter, kilogram and second are the fundamental units of length, mass and time. And second type is derived quantities. So derived quantity means all other physical quantities can be measured with the help of fundamental quantity is called derived quantities. Example. Now example for derived quantity is force equals mass into acceleration. First example, F equals ma. Here force is a physical quantity and m is a mass. Mass is a fundamental quantity. So second example, volume equals length into breadth into height. So V equals L into B into H. Here volume is a physical quantity and length is a fundamental quantity. So third one, velocity equals displacement by time. So V is a velocity and T is a time. So V is physical quantity and T is a fundamental quantity. So force, volume and velocity are physical quantities and mass, length and time is a fundamental quantities. So now derived quantity means all other physical quantities which can be measured with the help of fundamental quantities is called derived quantities. So now system of unit. So system of unit means a set or a group of fundamental unit is called system of units. So system of units are three types, namely CGS, FPS and MKS. So here CGS means C centimeter, G means gram, S means second. So FPS means F foot, P is pound, S means second. Similarly, M means meter, K means kilogram and S means second. So I already told system of unit means a group or set of fundamental units. So fundamental units are length, mass, time. Now a unit of length in CGS is centimeter. Now a unit of mass in CGS is gram. A unit of time in CGS is second. For FPS, a unit length in FPS is F foot. Now a unit of mass in FPS is pound. A unit of time in FPS is second. Okay. Similarly, for last one, a unit of length in MKS is meter. A unit of mass in MKS is kilogram. And a unit of time in MKS is second. So now system of units means a set or a group of fundamental units. So fundamental units are length, mass, time. Now the system of units are three types, namely CGS, FPS and MKS. So CGS means centimeter, gram, second. So FPS means foot, pound, second. So MKS means meter, kilogram and second. For unit length in CGS is centimeter. For unit of mass in CGS is gram. For unit of time in CGS is second. So for second one, a unit length in FPS is foot, a unit of mass in FPS is pound. So in a unit of time in FPS is second. For similarly MKS, a unit of length in MKS is meter, a unit of mass in MKS is kilogram. For a unit of time in MKS, second.